Hey fellas, welcome again. Today I would like to demonstrate to you a cold start for a Gemma-3 27 billion parameter model. This is actually a full model. It's not quantized again, which means it's going to carry at 54 gigabytes of memory. Actually, it's more than that if you really include the KV cache and everything. So this is currently sitting in the CPU memories, and we're going to bring it to the VRAM. So this is going to be a complete cold start. What I mean to say complete cold start is during this process, it is initializing the framework, okay? And then the CUDA graphs are being loaded, CUDA kernels are starting, and the raw model weights also being loaded. So the entire 54 gigabytes of memory is being loaded into the VRAM. So it's a complete cold start from the prompt given to the time to first token. So in the production workloads, this is very important. Just starting the container is not going to solve the problem. So let's see how long it takes for it to load the model. Okay, let's give it a go. That's about it. Actually, it's really under 1 second, and it's already in the VRAM, and it already give you the output right there. So now it's already in the VRAM, right? So let's do a warm start and see how long it takes, since it's already sitting in the VRAM. That's about it. Boom! It's even instant actually, because it's already sitting in the VRAM. So yeah, so you can also try your own model at InferX. Just visit inferx.net. You can also bring your own Docker container, so you don't need to do any code changes or anything like that. Yep, just please visit inferx.net, and then you can try your own model.